What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. My name is its_Kisaka on YouTube. So pleased to have you back. If you are tuning in for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate for always taking your time coming back to watch my videos. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Johan Blake, one of the fastest sprinters in the world. Recently, he competed in London Diamond League, and it turned out that he was the last person. But you know, Johan Blake is a great athlete, and he did an interview and he said that Jamaicans don't support him, and he doesn't need the support of Jamaicans. You know, Johan Blake is the second greatest sprinter of all time. He's the second fastest sprinter of all time. This is the interview of what he said. I'm gonna play it and then we get back and I shed more light onto what he has just talked about.
It would be my final Olympics. You know, as I said, my own country, Jamaica, doesn't give me the respect, and I'm happy they don't, because other people outside do, and they appreciate me more than my own country. So, you know, I'm happy that I'm be able to crown elsewhere apart from Jamaica. So I'm just looking to continue doing what I'm doing until I'm happy to step away when it's time. You know, Jamaica love winners, and once you're not win, they're not supporting you. But I don't need their support. I have my own support staff, I have my own support team. I'm a self-motivator. This season has been rough, I'm telling you the truth. I've been battling with a lot of injuries. You know, just fighting the fight because I know to get up. You know, I know that I have tread on the wheel same way, because when I look in the race and I see where myself at and I know what is causing my problem, I'm not afraid, you know. So I just keep on working. I can't get up and sprint, you know. I have some old injuries, you know. My muscle came off my bone, so I've been when I get my first major injury, a rupture. So I've been battling with my leg hamstring as well. So it's been a fight this season, but you know, people looking from the outside don't know what's going on the inside. So I'll just have to let them talk, and I know that I have a lot of tread on the wheel same way, so I'm still spinning. You know, I've been knocked down so many times, and I know how it feels to stand up. And sometimes God give you a battle, a uphill task that sometimes you yourself seems like you can't fight, but you have to fight. You know, and then probably this is not my season, probably next season even a better season. You know, so I know what I can do. I've felt it in training. You know, I felt it, and I know it's there. It's just for me to.
So Johan Blake will be competing in the Olympics, Paris Olympic, which will be starting from today on 26th. You know, after 4 years, that is when Olympics do happen. And so far he has taken part in 3 Olympics. This will be his 4th and last one. He says that he wants to now focus on his family, and he will not compete in any other Olympics. Though he has not downed its tools, he will still be running. So this is the second fastest man in history. From the rankings, you can see he's the second one with Tyson Gay. After Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt leads with 9.58, and they are Johan Blake with Tyson Gay. They have tied with 9.69. Up to this date, no one has been able to break their records, and they only come second. He only comes second to Usain Bolt. Both Usain Bolt and Johan Blake were in the same training club, that is the Racers Club, under Coach Glenn Mills. But at some point, I think Johan Blake parted ways with the Racers Club, and there is a video that Usain Bolt did talking about Johan Blake disrespecting Glenn Mills. This is the video.
That's when a coach is going to develop you at a level and bring you up to the greatest you have ever been. And then you're going to turn around and disrespect the coach, Glenn Mills. I personally can't sit quiet. Understand? I've seen calling names. I've seen Johan Blake, silver medal in the Olympics. You won World Championship gold medal, and then you're going to disrespect the coach again. At your highest level you have ever been, you have been with Coach Mills. When you're going to try to disrespect a coach at a level that he took it to a level that nobody 1, 2, 3. Me, Blake, Warren. Never been done before. And then you're gonna come and disrespect a coach like that. It hurts me personally because it's my coach, understand? And I know he's not gonna be happy with the fact that I'm defending him the way I am right now. But these athletes should know themselves and respect that Glenn Mills is the greatest. Glenn Mills have taken it to the highest level you have ever been in your career. You probably won't get back to that level. Johan Blake train hard, no question. When he got injured and coach, listen, this is the direction which we're going in. This is what I want to do. And then Johan Blake decided, no, it's not what I want to do. I'm going to do something else. Although the coach said X, he decided to do Y. They're not going to tell you all these things. But they're comfortable to disrespect the coach. I make the coach look bad. But they're not going to tell you when they got injured and the coach said, this is the direction we're going in. It's very upsetting to see this because I believe in my coach. If my coach says X is X. If he says Y is Y, Z is Z. Because I believe that anything my coach says, I'll get back. And it has proven over the years after years after years. I've done for that. At least they come at the club, they come from high school injury because they've been worked hard through school. Blake also came to the club back injury. Out of high school. And coach have to develop him and help him out and send him out doctor and make sure him get to a level before him can start.
So Johan Blake left Racers Club, and he has been competing in several races, and he has not been doing so well, even though he has been having a rough time, especially with injuries. Recently, there's a video that he was interviewed, and he shed some light about his injuries. It is believed that Johan Blake is in comparison with Asafa Powell, who is also a Jamaican. Yes, Asafa Powell has broken records, but the times of Johan Blake is said to be greater and faster times than Asafa Powell, and him being the second fastest sprinter alive just proves the point. So to him saying that Jamaicans don't respect him, Jamaicans for real love winners. So Johan Blake should work hard and give Jamaicans a win so that they love him. But most of the Jamaicans still do respect him, and they respect the fact that he took part in breaking the world record in relays and the goals and what he has been able to do. He has been training with he used to be training with Usain Bolt, and even Usain Bolt himself said that Johan Blake puts in a lot of effort and is disciplined in his training as compared to Bolt. Bolt has not was not putting in greater efforts as compared to Johan Blake. Johan Blake was always on time, and even in fact he was training hard, and this is one of the things that has taken a toll on him with the injuries at Racers Club. So I think all the comments that coming forth from Jamaicans that this is his last time, his time is over, and so forth. My take is that he should prove that he is still one of the legends by giving a win, but the respect is still there. What the Jamaicans need is just a win and nothing more. And I think he should not open up to that extent by saying that he doesn't need the support of Jamaicans. Talking that way, that is not good. I understand it is frustrating being one of the fastest person and then ending up losing most of the races, even though it can be due to injuries, but it should not come up openly and saying that he doesn't need the support of Jamaicans. Anyway, all the best to team Jamaica, and I hope we are gonna clinch Jamaica is gonna clinch some several goals several medals, especially gold medals. Thank you so much for tuning in to this channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing, and also remember to share this video to your clique and friends. See you on my next video.